Hello, my name is John. I'm a product specialist here at Watts Water Quality. We're introducing today our new total PFAS drinking water system. PFAS chemicals, you know, are referred to as forever chemicals. They don't break down naturally. So we have a solution to help prevent that from entering into our drinking water and providing safe tasting water. This system is certified through IATMO to the NSF standards to reduce total PFAS at 99.5%. It also certified to reduce microplastics, asbestos, lead, cyst, chlorine taste and odor, as well as particulates class 1. This system does come complete with all the fittings, tubing, and connectors you need. It does have a 3/8 quick connect ports on it. This filter has a capacity of 3,200 gallons. Replacement is once every 6 months, and the flow rate of our system is 2.5 gallons per minute.